Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So here we are with another hair video, and from the title you know I'm going to be talking about Unice hair. But the difference in this video from my other ones is because I have the wig that I made using the Unice hair frontal. I already made the wig, I already bleached it and dyed it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it comes fresh out of the packet. So then you can see the transition, like what it looks like with dye and stuff on it, and then how it looks in its virgin state. So let's get started. Okay, so this frontal is from Unice hair, 13 by, oh, forgot to tell you, all of the specs are going to be right here. Unice hair 13 by 6 transparent lace frontal in the body wave texture. It's Brazilian human hair, 150% density, and the inches I got was 14. And at the time of purchase, I paid $80.03. So I didn't purchase these frontals at the same time. The one that I made my wig from, I really liked how the frontal took the bleach, so I decided 100% I had to order another one. So that's how I have two in two different states. So let me show you what the wig looks like. This is the wig. And never mind the cut. I'm currently trying to teach myself how to cut hair. I'm learning from Sam Vey here on YouTube. I will leave her YouTube handle down below in the description box along with her Instagram. So if you see a little bit of a gap right here, that's because I don't know how to cut hair. But I tried my best, okay? Either way, this wig was made with the 14-inch Unice hair transparent lace, all the specs that I just told you were up here. And the bundle, because I only have one bundle in this bad boy, is from Nadula Hair. And I will, after I show you guys the other frontal, I'll tell you guys how I got this color, because I know a lot of you are probably going to wonder. The formulas are also going to be down below in the description box. Remember, I am not a professional. Everything I do is just me having fun, pretty much, okay? So sometimes they turn out nice, sometimes they don't, but the more I practice, the better the product turns out. So I will leave the formula down below. So this hair, as you can see, or this frontal, as you can see, let me put this down a little bit so you have a better view of it. 13 by 6. This is the transparent lace. And as you can see, this hair takes bleach very well. So I bleached this hair twice, and then I put a toner on it. So that's how I got this color, and it still has a lot of body. Now you might be wondering why I just didn't buy the bundles with the frontal. Well, I had plenty of bundles already. I bought my bundles from Nadula Hair, and I still had a bunch left over, so I just needed the frontals and closures. So that's why I just purchased the frontal. But I think now that I know how the frontal acts when it's bleached, I'll probably invest in some bundles later on. I don't plan on buying any hair over the summer. I'm probably going to wait until the fall during the 11/11 sale. But, you know, we'll see. Either way, this is what the frontal looks like. It's so nice. Like, it's so pretty. I love this frontal. Like, I had to bleach the knots twice. I used the 30 volume developer the first time, and I let it soak in some purple conditioner, and then to get the rest of them, because they didn't bleach evenly. But that's my own fault, because once again, I'm not a professional. I'm trying new ways of bleaching the knots on my frontals. Right now what I do is apply the majority of the bleach first on the front part of the wig, you know, near the hairline, where I want the knots to be the most bleached, and then maybe about 10 minutes later I apply it to the back. But what I think I'm going to do is apply the 30 volume developer with the bleach on the front half, and then a 40 volume developer on the back, because the knots in the front are a lot smaller and I don't want to over process them and bald my frontal. Anyway, like I said, trial and error, not a professional, just telling you what I do. So I bleached it once, and then I went over it again while it was wet with a 20 volume developer, and that got a majority of the knots. I also plucked this bad boy. So I'm gonna put this wig on in a minute, because you can't really see the pluckage, can't really see the hairline on the mannequin head, but I'll show you at the end of this video. But this is what that frontal looks like after it has been bleached, processed, fried, dyed, and laid to the side. All right, so as far as the virgin frontal goes, this is what it comes in. It comes via USPS, and it came from California. So I know Unice has a China-based facility too, but you have the option of ordering from the United States as well. So this got to me pretty quickly. Even though we're in COVID season, it got to me in under a week, so I was really happy about that. Nowadays, when I'm filming this, is like I bought this hair earlier on during COVID season, like at the beginning part of April. We're in the end part of April now, and things have kind of slowed down at the post office. So just know that if you are going to be trying to make an order using USPS, it's probably going to be a little bit slower than mine was. So inside the bag, you get the hair, obviously, which I will show you in a second. But you get these little cheap lashes, which you guys know I throw these away. I'm not sure what this is. It says it's a brush egg, but I don't actually know what that means. I'm going to have to look it up, but you get this. And it's got a little slot in there, I think for your hand. Or for your fingers, like that or something. You get a satin bonnet. Which I had one of these for my last order. I didn't get a brush egg with my last order, but I did get a satin bonnet with my last order as well. And it comes in this little Ziploc. And then you get this little card saying it's Unice hair. You can follow them. You can tag them so they can see your work, which I always tag the companies that I do these hair reviews for. Just a reminder, nobody pays me for these. No companies send me any hair. If that day ever comes, I will definitely disclose that. But currently, nobody sends me shit. I buy all of my own hair. And then lastly, you get the wig. Now, of course, it came in the little, you know, the holder, the black mesh thing. You know what I'm talking about, to keep the hair together. But I already, you know, threw that out. So this is the hair. And like I said, this is the body wave texture. And this is in transparent. And this is 14 inches. The hair does not have a smell. It has that protective lining all along the frontal. And then also, as you can see, you get 6 inches of parting space, like almost up to the ear tabs. So that's why I like purchasing frontals and bundles separately and then just making my own wig, because a lot of pre-made 13x6 wigs, they'll put the wig cap right here, so the 6 inches of party space will only be down the middle. Whereas if you purchase the frontal and bundle separately and make your own wig, you can have that 6 inches of parting space almost from ear to ear. So the reason I like transparent lace from Unice hair is because it is so thin. Now, transparent lace does, it kind of has a white cast, unlike HD lace that doesn't really have a white cast. So if you are darker than I am, you are going to have to tint your lace. You can do that in several ways. There's lace tint that a lot of companies sell, or you can just use makeup. But the reason I like the Unice hair lace is because it's so thin and it's so soft. So even if you don't want to tint your lace right away, you can still make it melt. Yes, you're going to have a white cast if you are on the darker complected side, but if you're like my skin tone or maybe a straight medium tan skin tone, you're not going to have to tint your lace. So let me show you. Let me see if I can hold it up to my hand. Do you guys see how it kind of has a white cast, but it's not like, it doesn't have a cast of like brown or gray or anything. It's just clear. I hope I'm explaining that correctly. If you want some references, I will leave Slade by Jordan's YouTube channel down below. He works with a majority of transparent lace frontals and closures when he works on his clients. So you can see how he tints the lace to cater to his more chocolatey clients. But this does not come really pre-plucked. It kind of says it is, I think, in the description, but I went back and plucked this a lot more. The knots are not bleached, but it doesn't advertise to have bleached knots. And there's not a lot of flyaways on this wig, which means the hair is really healthy. And it's super, super soft. Let me show you the ends. My camera will focus. The ends are really healthy. And you don't have the thinning out of the ends as you get past the lace, like you will do on some frontals. Like this hair is thick from the lace to the tips. So Unice hair and Barry's hair are where I buy a majority of my closures. Unice hair doesn't have large transparent lace closures. The biggest they go to for transparent lace closures is 5x5, where Barry's hair has 7x7 transparent lace closures. Hence why I get my closures from Barry's hair, but I get my frontals from Unice because they are very affordable and their lace is really high quality. So if you are in the market for a lace frontal, definitely check out Unice hair. They have sales all the time too. They are also located on AliExpress. They have their own website and they have an Amazon store. So you have 3 ways to purchase from them. And like I said, they always are having sales, coupon codes, and all that jazz. I had to take a minute and get my hair out of those wig caps. Anyway, that's the end of this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. I have hair in my eye. Share this video because sharing is caring. And since you're here, you might as well binge watch some videos, so I'll pop them up right there. There they are. Click one of those videos. Support your girl, okay? And down below, I will list a whole bunch of gurus here on YouTube that specialize in hair, weave, cutting hair, coloring hair, making your hairline look bomb and unclockable AF. So utilize those resources. Utilize those resources and step your wig game up because this is quarantine. We don't got no one to impress, but when we leave quarantine, we want to look like we have our shit together, okay? Anyway, I will see you in the next one.